Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I transfer my Arabic calligraphy onto a canvas. To begin, you're going to prep and prime your canvas and paint it whatever background color you want. Then you're going to need your design. Today, I'm using this beautiful Arabic calligraphy design of Allah, and we're going to transfer it straight onto the canvas using the graphite paper method. What I love about using the graphite paper method is that the lines are really clean and sharp, and it's just really simple to use. It's actually my favorite method of transfer. The way it works is that one side has a graphite lining on it and the other side is plain. Place the graphite paper underneath your design on the canvas. Now grab a sharp pencil and carefully trace dot around all the letters, making a nice outline. Make sure the design is positioned exactly where you want it on the canvas before you start tracing. As you trace, apply firm pressure so the graphite transfers onto the canvas. Once you've gone over all the lines, carefully lift up the design and the graphite paper. You'll see that the outline has transferred perfectly onto the canvas. The best part is that you can reuse the graphite paper again and again as long as there's still graphite left on it. As you can see, the design is now fully transferred onto my canvas, and all that's left to do is paint it. I'm going to fast forward this part because painting takes a little longer. You can use this method to transfer almost any design onto a canvas. I don't usually use it for every Arabic calligraphy piece, because sometimes the calligraphy is simple enough to draw directly onto the canvas with a pencil. However, this method is really helpful for beginners or for anyone who wants to create a DIY canvas for their home. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you try this method, please tag me on Instagram at 10IYArtistry. Don't forget to like this video, and if you'd like to see more Arabic calligraphy tutorials, make sure to subscribe to my channel. JazakAllah Khair for watching, and inshallah I'll see you in my next video.